My gosh, those poor firefighters fighting that right now in the heat.
Yeah, and no sign of really soaking rain coming through to help.
No, we talked about this, I think, on Friday, that we're slowly, quietly going into a drought. And I think everybody kind of knows it, right? We're in this middle of time where it's nice and dry.
We're enjoying that.
Great beach weather, but
nothing major for rain until maybe Thursday. There might be some rain, but it's
for some people
not a guarantee. Not a guarantee. No big rainstorms in there. Big numbers today on the heat side of things. We got to 91 in Portland, 96 in Bangor. Ryan and I were just discussing this. The National Weather Service just put out their official climate report for Augusta, and they gave them a 98. So it seems higher than anything we saw on the thermometer today. What I saw was 95, but we're going to work on that. That's the NWS. They're usually pretty reliable. They had a 98, so a big number there. 97 in Freiburg, Millinocket 97 too. So these are really hot numbers even for this time of the year. And originally I looked at tomorrow and thought it'd be a little bit hotter than today, but there's not a lot of room there, right? Unless we get into the high 90s to low 100s, which I don't think we'll quite get there. Visible satellite looking good, clear skies. That'll help us tonight because the clear skies allow our temperatures to radiate. Radiational cooling is kind of a swear word in the winter because it allows you to get really, really cold. But this time of the year, it can help you out, allowing us to get into the 60s when we easily could be stuck in the 70s, being as warm as we were during the day today. We start with a little fog down East Maine and the mid-coast, likely by tomorrow morning. Burn that off. And as I mentioned, I thought that tomorrow would be a little warmer than today. I think will be the same at least. So 95 plus inland. This model has been way too cool in this stretch. It's been in the low 90s when clearly we've been much warmer than that. So 95 plus up to about 98, I'd say, away from the coast. Probably we get to 90 from Wiscasset south along the coastline and then sea breeze back down a bit into the 80s in the afternoon. Wednesday's another hot day. It's more humid, and then some thunderstorms try to come through Wednesday afternoon. The timing of these storms will determine if we're about 90 or we're up to 95 again on Wednesday with those high dew points. Thunderstorms come through. Not everyone gets in on these, though. They kind of break apart as they move east. And then Thursday will be our best chance of showers and storms as that front hangs along the coastline. Still, though, not a washout and not a guarantee, but there will be showers and storms and high humidity. The front moves to our south on Thursday night, and it's much more comfortable on Friday. And still in the low 80s. It's not going to drop down too much, but it will be a lot less humid. Just quickly, I want to talk to you about Tropical Storm Erin way off the coast here of Africa, pointing it out because there will be some intrigue over the next 7 days or so as to the path of Erin. It's likely to become a Category 3 hurricane at least, and then head in the direction of the United States. We'll see what happens from there. Typically, from that kind of latitude, it will curve out to sea, but it's not always typical, so we'll keep an eye on that. By the way, buried the lead here. Weekend looks good. Saturday, especially, I don't think there's any issue with that. Sunday, we'll have to watch the timing of that front. I could see it crunch a little bit forward and give us some thunderstorms on Sunday afternoon, so I put those in there, guys. If the front slows down, I'll take the thunderstorms out and I'll probably raise it back into the 90s. So there is some play in there, but I like to play it pessimistically, and then we can always make it nicer as we get closer to the weekend. Usually it works.
We can plan for that.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Keith, thank you.